How's it going, guys? My name is Ishaan, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down the full technical analysis and short-term price target for Sndl stock in just 4 minutes. This has been super requested, and so I had to come through and let me know other stocks you want me to cover down below. But real quick, I've been getting comments about people who have been saying that they expect my technical analysis to be able to predict the future, but that's not how technical analysis works. The point of technical analysis is to allow you to understand the stock and different scenarios that could play out. This is what helps you make better buy-in and sell decisions. I mean, no one can predict the future. If I could, I would be a trillionaire. So let's get into the technicals. Alright, so jumping into the technicals for Sndl stock on this 1 month 30-minute chart, we can see a few things right off the bat. First of all, last video I told you guys how right over here, the stock, we got a MACD cross, we got an EMA cross, and how the stock had broken below $1.58, while the stock ended up kind of consolidating and dropping down to this about $1.10 level right over here, which is the exact level I told you guys to watch for in case of a drop lower. So a few things we can see. First of all, formings. First of all, we got a MACD cross. If you've been watching my previous videos, you would know that this means that the momentum has shifted in favor of the bulls. Like when we got a MACD cross over here, where the red MACD line crossed below the green signal line, the stock ended up dropping. Here we got a cross above, and this signals that there's potential for a reversal higher. Another somewhat bullish thing that we can see on the 6-month daily chart is that we formed a DOJI star on Friday. Essentially, DOJI stars form during a downtrend, and they occur when the closing and opening price is almost at the same point. And so as we can see, this is a DOJI star right here, and this signals that there's potential for a reversal higher because this is a bullish reversal pattern. And then going to the 6-month 4-hour chart, we can see how the stock has consistently been holding the 180-day SMA, which is this orange line. Over here we bounced right at the 180-day SMA. Again, we pulled back and we held the 180-day SMA, and this signals that the longer term trend is still technically in an uptrend. Now you can view these things in all sorts of different time frames. This is just what I personally find the best to view it in. Going back to the 1 month 30-minute chart, what I will say though is that it looks like we're forming a double top right at this about $1.70 level. Essentially, double top signal that even though buyers were able to push the stock back up, sellers and institutions stepped up quite massively and quite heavily in order to keep the stock that's retesting this resistance level to break back above it. So that is somewhat bearish, but I think the biggest thing right now is that the stock is in a period of consolidation, and consolidation usually leads to some sort of reversal. That can be higher, that can be lower. The key thing that we need though for a move higher is that we need buying volume to step up, and so that's why it's always very important to be patient and wait for the confirmation. Wait to actually see the trends start moving upwards. So now let's talk about my price target and where I could see the stock heading. So last video I told you guys that if you could break above this $1.58 level, then I could see the stock heading up to $1.76, and I still think the stock could break back to $1.77 in the short term. If it breaks above $1.77, then I think the stock could easily head to $2.27, where it had previous resistance in this area over here, and then the stock can totally break lower. And if it does, then I believe the stock could be heading down to this about $1.10 level, which in fact I told you guys to watch last video, and that's exactly where the stock bottomed. If it breaks below $1.10, then the stock could be heading down to about the 91-cent level, where it had previous support right in this area and where it had previous resistance as well. So with that being said, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below, where my goal is to help you learn technical analysis so that you can become more profitable and make better entry and exit decisions. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.